Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Juel Islam Habib, and today I'm going to talk about one of my recent project called AreaAlert. I think you guys already assumed the purpose of this project. However, let me clarify what this project about. In this website, a user can report utility outage of our country. As we know, we are frequently face the utility outage as well as the flash flood. So the project purpose is to make aware to the community and help them to avoid or make decision based on the reports from here. Let me give you an example of the real scenarios. Let's say I am living in Narayanganj and I want to migrate to Dhaka city for living. So I don't know about that place situation. In that case, I can come here and uh, explore report page, and I can filter what's going on in Dhaka city. I can specifically filter any areas from here, as well as I can choose the area that I want to move. If there has any issues that I can see over here. So let's say in Gulshan, we have flash flood and it's verified the two users, which means the two users already verified this issue is real, as well as the issue is already resolved, which means it's safe to move there right now. But in future, as we got a report about the flash flood on Gulshan, that means I need to prepare in future that maybe flash flood will reoccur whenever it's rain again. And that's how it's helped me to take decision and think about that place before I migrate to that place. So let me give you an example how we can determine the safest place of that area. We have a menu called safety map. Here you can see we can filter, search the location we want to see, as well as we can see which district are safe to move right now. This data is completely a fake data now because it's not real, but you understand the purpose of this, hopefully. So let's say we have Gazipur, which is safe. How? We have two reports about the Gazipur and two issues are already resolved, which means this area is safe now. We can also see the Gazipur reports here. If we click on that in Genu market, there was a gas leak on 19 days ago. And in Duet Road, the electricity has scheduled outage and it's verified by 26 users and 17 user thinks that already resolves, and by the reporter it already marked as resolved, which means this is resolved as well as this one. So the Gazipur is safe to move now. And we can also check the areas, which areas are more safe based on the report. In Kopil Monibazar, I think I spell it correctly, whatever it is, in Khulna is the safest area based on the score because it has one report and it got one result, as well as the Satirpara of Norshindi, also safe area to move. So there is no activated issues here, and we can also filter by utility. Let's say my my main concern is on electricity. So I will move the area uh, where electricity has no issues. And if I filter it by here, I can see the Sunamganj is the safest area for the electricity. Of course, it's a fake data because I don't have the real data yet. Its data will added by the user. I will go through that uh, by the time. So in Sunamganj, we had a report one and it already resolved, as well as the Rangamati here in district. But if we want to specifically see the areas, then we will get the Godagari from Rajshahi as well as Singari, Manikganj. Most probably I spelled them correctly. Let me add a report here. Let's say currently I'm living in Narayanganj. So Narayanganj, I will select an area like Fatullah, and I selected this as a electricity outage, or I could say it water. Water means the WASA, and the internet is the ISP provider name, which I'm using right now. If I want to report on the internet, I mean report based on the ISP, I can put their name here as well, and gas as well as the flood. So let's say in my area, I have facing an issue electricity. We can select a quick summary from here: total blackout, low voltage, frequent drops, or schedule outage. You can also add the past report to improve the community reports or result. So let's say I will say it right now, and let's say I am in total blackout. I can also add more details on this field, which is optional, as well as I can add media on this by uploading here image, as well as I can hotlink image from another source. On video section, I can embed a YouTube video by pasting its URL. Okay, let's submit this report. After submitting the report, you can see a toast outage reported successfully. If I now move to the Explore Report page, I will see an active report less than a minute ago where Narayanganj Fatullah, and 0 people are confirmed this, and here is a text where it asks for help us to verify this. So let's say our website has another user from the Narayanganj, exact the same area, or he knows the actual problem of Fatullah currently. So what he can do is uh, visit the explore report page here. It's another user. So if he click on the details page, he can uh, make it confirm. So if he make it confirmed, then we will see a user is confirmed and verified by one user. So if I go to the details page as a reporter, because I report this, I can update the report as well as delete the report. And there is an option for mark as result. Whenever it got fixed, I can simply come here and mark it as result. And to verify if it's fake or real, we have another button where a user can say it seems fake, which means he flagged it as fake. And also he can suggest that it's resolved already. Okay. So in that user reporter profile page, he can also see all his reports, as well as he can delete report from here. And of course, you can create another report by adding a new report. Hope this makes sense and I explain the purpose of that project. So here's the few chart based on the district. Uh, you can see the most report we have in the Rajshahi. Of course, these are the fake data. I'm telling it again because I don't have the real data, real stats to show. Okay, that's all about this project. Thank you for watching.